With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Butterfield.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI, LearnCrypto.io. We got any YouTube live emails going out? Anybody in here? I think I'm okay. Nick's in here. Hopefully I sound all right and I'm live. Got to get back on here. Stocks down. Bitcoin showing some extremely good strength today, which we are talking about a major low forming here on Bitcoin for a backup for Wyckoff. So that's what it looks like here today. What's up, Big House, Carrie? We're going to go over stocks, bonds, the dollar, metals probably, Bitcoin in depth, some Elliott wave counts. Let's wait a little bit here, see if we can get a few more people in here before I start. So I have to go back. Bitcoin 28,000, up 4.31%. Ethereum up 2.73. Litecoin 2.35. As I said, we're going to be live on here because Bitcoin looks like a major backup's completing. If you do Elliott wave, possibly a big one too. So it could get exciting here. We rode this up before when we had that rally from 3,500 up to 14,000. I'm going to kind of talk about that a little bit. Hopefully our technometer, being volume based, gets us some consecutive buys here on the way up. What's up, Albatross? So that's kind of what we're going to be looking for. You're welcome on the time. Trying to help some people out in here. Give you a blue wrench, Albatross. We're going to get started here. We've got SPY in front of us. Same chart I've been showing. It's got red sell signals, green buy signals based on our technometer. We did have a sell Wednesday. We're really right at that level now after having a reversal Wednesday after we got short and a rally Thursday, early Friday. I'm still looking for lower on stocks. I was hoping that would help drag down Bitcoin into a buy setup, which we'll look about here shortly. But right now, technometer 49 still overbought. SPY still looks lower. If we go to our Wyckoff wave index, you can see here it looks like we had an up thrust through resistance and a nice sell-off Friday and today. Technometer 45.6. So again, stocks look like they might got a little too excited on the upside. Got a lot of shorts covered, I'm sure. So stocks could still trade a little sloppy. Here is 20-year Treasury ETF TLT. I've been showing this chart. Two recent buy signals I've mentioned on my weekend reviews, which you can sign up for at wyckoffsmi.com. Trying to get above this 103 resistance, which the bulls are going to want to see that happen. Not a good place to stop if we do. Technometer's 46, so I'm hoping my stocks pullback TLT continues higher. That's the play. UUP, I will show the DXY here when I switch to trading view, but UUP, I've talked about a triangle formation. So we completed the D wave, or we're going to go still a little lower for that. We were oversold, looking for a little higher. So again, dollar sideways for a few more weeks before another coming sell-off in the US dollar, which should help Bitcoin. So we're going to be watching that for sure. If the dollar collapses for another 6 months, Bitcoin should have a nice run for the roses. We're going to watch that. As we're talking stocks, we're going to go in on Twitter and Discord. I mentioned some of the miners and also Microstrategy. Same chart as Bitcoin, completing a backup per Wyckoff method. So you can see here, nice little low volume pullback. Starting to come out of that. So I think it's telling us the low now is probably in on Bitcoin. So we want to buy an ABC pullback or a technometer that's close to oversold. We'll be ready to do that. Let's go to our Bitcoin chart. Let's load the 9-month. The technometer is at 51.5 right now as we speak. So we could see some sideways to lower here, which would play right into still a little more weakness on stocks. So really, I'm hoping we can get that. Let's load this Bitcoin chart here. Going back to the selling climax. So you can see here, the backup I've been showing looks like it probably got completed on this little spring last week. Technometer was down there at oversold, but didn't give us really a strong buy setup that we wanted. But now we're 51. So again, an ABC pullback is going to be an extremely good buy signal here if we can get it. So we're going to be watching for that. Something I want to show you. The last time we had a big run on Bitcoin that we think is maybe ready to happen again. This is a Bitcoin chart back when we was at 3,500. Nick and I was on YouTube all the time giving buy signals. All of these were buys on the way up based on my technometer. You can see here, I believe from memory, we had 13, 14 buy setups. And the only real strong sell we got was at 13,800. I remember being live for Discord saying we could top out, have a quick 2,000 down at any time. And I think we had that like in the next hour, which put an end to this wave one up. So again, I think looking for same type of thing here where we can get consecutive buy signals off our technometer and continue to buy or go leverage long, etc. On the way up, we could be heading to new highs. You've got Fidelity, you've got BlackRock, you got the new exchange coming out, the Schwab and Fidelity. Some of these trading firms are backing. I think that brings the public into here. So I think definitely going to give us the firepower to explode higher again. If we go to Elliott wave counts, that I did show these earlier, and again, I own Wyckoff SMI, the original institute, started by Mr. Wyckoff 1931. I do Elliott wave, have since the 1980. So I had shown these last time I was live on Friday. So we could have done a 1-2 and another 1-2 into that low down there at 24.8. Again, we're getting ready to take out the X-wave resistance, which would be bullish. So we've done a 1-2, 1-2. A couple other little counts here, you could say. Again, there's a large 1-2 that ended, which would mean that, again, we're going to new all-time highs because the low down there at below 16,000 was a wave 4. We need a wave 5 to new highs. There's a bearish count that I talked about last week. But even if the bearish count works, we probably need an ABC rally up. So don't be bearish too quick. Let that play out. Again, there's the 1-2-1-2 count. That means we're ready for 3 of 3 up. Or WXY ended, which again, that's the preferred count. It looks like it had ended today's rally on really no strength in stocks, etc. NASDAQ's been minus. Bitcoin rally today is really impressive. Again, that's telling us that low's probably been made. Again, there's a rally since the bottom at 24.8. Not sure if that's 5 waves completed where we could have an ABC down now, but that is a possibility. So let's quickly go back over for any latecomers here. What's up, rational investor? Again, Microstrategy looks like a backup. Riot, Mara, those look like they could lead rallies here on the stock side of the things. Quick recap. SPY gave a sell right around these levels Wednesday. Looks like we still got lower on stocks here, at least short term. We'll look for the technometer reset and give us a good buy signal. 20-year bonds, I'm long, looking for still higher. Looking for a rally above that 103.30 level before giving a sell on TLT. The dollar looks sideways before a collapse. Bitcoin. Wyckoff method labels on all that. Looks like we completed the backup. We had the OP hit new lows while price is holding higher. Those are all bullish indications. Again, short term, we are overbought here, so I do think sideways to lower on Bitcoin, which hopefully happens with stocks pulling back a little bit here this week, maybe the next week, week and a half. See if that could pull back Bitcoin into a nice technometer oversold setup. Then you can get long aggressively, probably get long with leverage, etc. So as Nick mentioned here, BlackRock ETF, rumors Fidelity, EDX exchange coming online. That's going to bring Joe Schmo into these things. The average stock investor is going to feel way more comfortable buying Bitcoin. So that's what we're going to be looking for. So we're going to pay attention to that. Hold on here, I got to clean something up here on my screen. There we go. Anybody got any stocks or crypto they want to bring up? If not, I'm out of here. Again, just want to stay on here, making sure everyone knows our opinions. Patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month to get the trades given to you real time. CryptoPCG.com if you want us to manage your assets in crypto through a trading API. Stock assets traded through Charles Schwab. Hit me up on website, online chats, or email me, whatever you want to do. Litecoin, Tether, Binance. Litecoin got hurt bad there 10 days ago. Still looks like same type of thing. A backup. OP hitting new lows for the last 6 months while price is holding higher. That's bullish. Again, we are at 47 on the technometer, so not saying close your eyes and buy here, but be prepared to do that. We just want a pullback in these technometers, and we should be ready to go. Here's Ripple, Tether. Same type of thing here. I've been showing OP new lows, price holding higher, price holding above previous resistance. Technometer is neutral. But again, I think we're on accumulation on these things. So there's accumulation pattern. So Ripple, same type of thing, backing up to previous resistance. Chart looks good. I would expect higher. I do not have that. I'm going to make a note here. I don't have the Pepe tether. I'll try to remember to do that on Gate. I will be able to add that because I do have Gate IOO, so I'll do that, Big House. So that's all I've really got here. Again, a quick update, trying to stay live. Let's go back, hold on a second. Again, to go back over Elliott wave counts, the last low we had could have been a 1-2-1-2, which means we're headed up higher in a 3-3. Or, hold on here, or we could have completed a large 1-2, and now we're ready for just a wave 3 higher, but that would be a large wave 3. So Elliott wave looks in gear to the upside. Dollar getting ready to collapse again in the next few weeks. What's up, Roger, Yannick? And that helps. So I think still crypto, the place to be. Get ready for some long trades, leverage trades, etc. Also perk up here at some point. U.S. stocks a little lower this week. That's all I got. I'm out of here. I'm going to run patreon.com commercial/learn crypto. I'm going to run manage stock. Marking a little corp here, and maybe who is Richard Wyckoff for anybody that doesn't know. Otherwise, I'm out of here. Probably see you tomorrow. Again, I'm going to be zooming Nick in here some. Kind of get back to him a nice format. Maybe 2-3 times a week. Everybody liked that, so we're going to try to bring that in as well. But otherwise, that's all I got. Again, Bitcoin 27,926. There's the daily chart. Coming off the major low. Ethereum 1781, Litecoin 7950. So I'm out of here. Again, a couple commercials. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Good afternoon. My name is Richard D. Wyckoff. Anyone who is interested in the stock, option, or commodity markets is most likely to find my life and teachings to be of great interest and value. I was born November 2nd, 1873. At the age of 15, I had my first job as a stock runner on Wall Street, and by age 25, I had opened my first brokerage firm. I was one of the pioneers in the study of the tape and included volume studies in all my market operations. This volume and its intraday studies is what set me apart from the rest of the market gurus. There was a point that my buy and sell following was so big that it became a powerful part of the daily market. It was at this time that I became known as one of the titans of technical analysis. But all along, my lifelong endeavor was to pass on my accumulated wisdom to others. With that in mind, in 1907 I created the Magazine of Wall Street. At its height, the Magazine of Wall Street had over 200,000 subscribers. That's over 200,000 investors who wanted my thoughts on the current market conditions and trends. Finally, in 1931, I decided to take all my knowledge that I had learned about the stock market and create the Richard D. Wyckoff course of stock market science and technique. I was able to create something that established a new standard of practice in the public stock market operations. I did not claim any monopoly of stock market knowledge, but up to that time, no one else seemed willing to be so frank in offering to the public the most intimate knowledge of the inner workings of the stock market. The good news is that even though I created the Wyckoff Stock Market course back in 1931, the course has been maintained and updated throughout the years and is available to you today. Over 90 years later, my course is still available for investors and traders that want to learn the secrets to the stock market and can be found right now at wyckoffsmi.com.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.
Let's see it.